This is a motor that came in, it wasn't firing, and he had purchased a used stator to put on there, and we were going to go ahead and do the stator for him. And this is the one that when we pull the flywheel off, we found that the magnet was released from the flywheel, so he had an actually defective flywheel, and we used his existing stator with our flywheel, and now it starts and runs. We just had it running a minute ago, but if you look at the there's a huge amount of gas that's just pouring out. I think it's the number 2 carburetor, and it probably wasn't running right to begin with. If you look at his linkage, someone's been playing with the linkage to that roller should be lined up with that mark, and so it's sitting on it's got some throttle, residual throttle to make it run, and that probably was because it's trying to flood out. So, but now it's firing, so we're going to go ahead and start it up and listen to it run, and it's not going to run well, and then go into our carburetor type issues. And we love it how long it's been not running, because there's a whole lot of wasps in there that weren't happy when they came out. You go ahead and start it. Okay, I got it. Oops. If you saw that number 2 carburetor just squirting gas out of there, so it may not start. Look at it, it's pouring out. So it was running a second ago, and I guess it just, with all the gas just pouring out of there, it's flooded now. So that's where we are, but it is sparking, and it was running.